We have with us via Zoom Attorney Gilbert Lawenco, legal counsel and political consultant of Doc Willie Ong. Good morning, Attorney Gilbert.
Good morning, Panera. Good morning to all your viewers. Thank you for having us.
Attorney Gilbert, first, can you give us an update? Kamusta po si Doc Willie Ong?
Well, as we've been saying before, we've been very transparent. His condition, his sarcoma is actually getting better. Unfortunately, the cure sometimes is worse than the sickness. He had to undertake an aggressive therapy, which took a large toll on his health, and also his ability to physically wage a physical campaign, even to just appear in front of the Zoom TV takes a lot out of him because of the therapy. So medyo yun, nanghihina siya, but sometimes he tries to go up and about, but he feels that it will be detrimental to his health if he will insist. Although he did try for the last few months, but unfortunately talagang may mga times na talagang we have to admit na hindi kaya talaga.
Attorney Gilbert, tama po ba yung information na nakuha namin na simula last year hindi pa po nakakabalik si Doc Willie Ong dito at first time niyang bumalik ngayon?
Yes. He was scheduled to come here December, then it was pushed to January, and then it was pushed to February. He's here right now. We were supposed to begin already the formal campaign. Unfortunately nga talagang nag-usap kami and he feels na talagang hindi nakakayanin. And of course, ang sabi nga niya sa akin jokingly, paano ko mag-campaign, paano ko manalo tayo? Baka hindi ko rin kayanin. It will not really be fair to the public and to the nation. What if he wins? Even if he wins, that he will not be able to fulfill his function. So he had a long talk with his doctor. Sabi na talagang we cannot go.
But Doc Willie Ong will withdraw today, yung officially magwi-withdraw na siya sa senatorial race. Kailan po siya pupunta sa COMELEC to file the necessary requirements for the withdrawal?
Actually, we will meet this afternoon. Pag-uusapan po namin yung legal process at kung kaya niya pumunta personally. If not, then we will have to make a authorization for probably Doc Lisa accompanied by me, of course, to file the necessary papers.
Attorney
Probably within this week or next week, kung kaya na, because medyo we're still discussing the consequences, and we're talking to the party, we're talking to all the people who've helped us, and we're already about to make a go for the campaign this month, actually.
Attorney Gilbert, under the rules, pwede naman magpa-substitute si Doc Willie Ong sa wife niya. Sa wife?
No,
no, because he hasn't passed away. So, yes.
No,
yeah. So,
under rules, there's no substitution.
walang substitution. Not in this case, because, you're right. But any other considerations that you have? Because you said that he is getting better, but in this case, it's just that the cure is worse than the condition. So, wala bang binigay na doctor na advice na he'll get better in a few months to make him still push through with this senatorial run and serve in Senate hopefully after a few months?
Panera, Doc Willie has always been honest with his condition, and he will not stop now. So he will make a pronouncement about his health, But the doctor said that yes, he's getting better, but cancer is cancer. You really never know. So the doctor advised him and said, if you win and you make a strenuous, or even if you go through a strenuous physical campaign and you win, you're going to have to go to your office and do this. We never know. It's going to be a very risky situation. Although he's getting better, if he pushes through and if he wins and he has to go through the office and go through the rigors, it might be detrimental to his health. That was the final advice of his doctor. And also he said, mentally, it's really tiring for him, and emotionally and spiritually draining, especially lately, even before the campaign period, he had a lot of people bashing him left and right. You know, it's really heartbreaking. I really have to give my opinion in this. Sobrang mean ng tao ngayon. Sobra. For whatever reason, he was still bashed left and right. Like, Doc, withdraw, may sakit ka, wala kang karapatan tumakbo. Sobrang sakit ng natatanggap ng messages, online and comment. So it really affected him morally, emotionally, and his morale. Medyo tinamaan siya. So nasaktan siya sobra. So sabi niya, sige, bigay natin yung gusto ng ibang tao din. Baka may matuwa, makapagpatuwa pa tayo ng ibang tao. And we don't know, he was being operated on by the other candidate. But, you know, the bashing was really hard. And it emotionally also took a toll on him.
Okay.
So it's both emotional and physical.
And Attorney Gilbert, we already discussed this briefly kanina in terms of substitution. So you have studied the grounds and there's no way to have Doc Lisa substitute Doc Willie Ong as a senatorial candidate, even if they share the same surname.
No, there's no way. Under our rules, the only way you can substitute is because of death. And I also spoke with Lisa. Even if there was a way, she wouldn't want. Not at this point. She would like to also spend her time, assisting Doc as he goes through this time of trial, both emotionally and physically.
Okay. Thank you so much, Attorney Gilbert. What can we expect in the upcoming days? You said kanina pag magmi-meeting pa kayo about the legal process, but can we expect the official withdrawal by this week to happen?
Well, today's Thursday. Probably if I'll let him rest. He just came from Singapore. Siguro earliest next week onwards, we will be making our official actions, legal actions. Because we also have to talk to the party, the people that supported him, and formally speak with them and inform them of this action. But moving forward, he will also still be, or at least Doc Lisa will still be endorsing some of our party mates from Action and some of the people who helped him. So yun yung commitment niya, tutulong na lang siya, mag-endorse na lang si Doc Lisa ng mga kandidatong at least tumulong or nag-express ng support despite everything. So that is her commitment. Not the very least, tulungan to yung mga sumuporta at saka tumulong.
Thank you so much, Attorney Gilbert, and thank you so much for your updates. We hope that Doc Willie Ong will get better.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Attorney Karen. And thank you, everybody.